Welcome to Newbie Poorman Cooking. Today, we're diving into a dish that holds a special place in my heart, Creamy Chicken Sopas. This is not just any recipe, it's a taste of my childhood, a comfort food that I've been cherished for as long as I can remember. And I'm excited to show you how to make it. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients: 1 onion finely chopped, 6 cloves of garlic minced, chicken breast diced into bite-sized pieces, hot dogs sliced into rounds, 1/2 cabbage thinly sliced, 400 grams of Elba macaroni, 1 celery slice, 2 carrots peeled and sliced into lengtwise or round, 1 can of evaporated milk, 100 grams of margarine, 1 chicken broth cube, this is optional, 4 cups of water. Heat a large pot over medium to high heat and add diced chicken pieces and cook them until they release their juices. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Now add sliced hot dog and cook for a few minutes. Stir them occasionally to prevent sticking. Add the finely chopped onions, and minced garlic to the pot. Cook, stir it until they become fragrant and translucent. Add the Elba macaroni. Pour in the 4 cups of water. We'll bring this to a simmer and let it cook. Add in chicken broth cube. This step is optional, but it really brings more solid chicken taste. And bring the mixture to a simmer. Allow it to cook for about 10 minutes or until the macaroni is fully cooked and the chicken is tender. Add the sliced carrots to the pot and let them cook for another 3 minutes or until they start to soften. Stir in the thinly sliced cabbage and celery and continue to cook for a few minutes until the cabbage wilts slightly. Pour in the evaporated milk and stir it into the soup to make it creamy. Let the soup simmer for an additional 5 minutes, allowing all the flavor to meld together. Finally, add the margarine to the creamy chicken sopas. Stir until it melts into the soup, providing added flavor and creaminess. Taste the soup, and you can adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your liking. Serve the creamy chicken sopas hot. Enjoy your comforting and creamy chicken sopas. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Newbie Poorman Cooking.